Justice is not merely about punishment, it must restore. Unlike punitive justice, which responds to crimes with sanctions, restorative justice seeks to heal social wounds by placing the victim, the perpetrator, and the community at the forefront. In this vision, fraternity is not merely a moral value, but an active principle that illuminates the path toward a more humane and united society. True fraternity cannot exist without respect for rights, and justice, to be complete, must be imbued with tenderness and compassion. By articulating these ideas with admirable clarity and rigor, Fouillée highlights the tensions between punitive approaches, often focused on social control, and restorative approaches rooted in mutual respect and the hope for transformation. Justice, like all else, is subject to the great law of evolution and progress. One of the most remarkable examples of this evolution is the tendency of justice to absorb even fraternity itself. In our present society, could the practice of fraternity often be reduced to nothing more than simple justice, a means of repaying a debt, whether personal or collective? In essence, could it be a mere form of reparation? What appears to be the granting of a favor might, therefore, amount to the incomplete recognition of a moral right. Justice, as the Stoics defined it, is the strength of the soul in service of rights, whereas fraternity is the tenderness of the soul in service of rights. This tenderness, when enlightened, becomes a strength in its own right. The interplay between these forces calls on society to move beyond mere retribution and embrace restorative justice as an essential aspect of the social contract. It requires us to repair not only the wrongs committed in the present, but also the lingering injustices of the past, which continue to shape the inequalities and divisions of modern society.